So wait just a second. What's the matter?
Don't you pick up these and then light it back?
Mm-hmm. Sometimes.
What? No.
There you go.
Oh, you didn't do it either.
He blew some of mine out.
He blew some of mine out.
I want in this. I may not be here next year.
I might not either. Never know. That's right. You never know. Where are you?
Ready?
Okay.
Ready?
Ready? Go. Ooh, did it that time.
Boy, now that was good.
Yeah, I thought
Has he already blew his out on
Yeah.
camera?
Yeah.
Okay. Happy birthday.
Give me a break, Chet Herbert.